So now we have the website and it looks like this, and yeah, well, this is not very nice, right? Because we want the logo, we want to edit this text because we want to brand it to our own page. Oh, sorry, clicked on Astra, my fault. So we are going to adjust this. We're going back into the management console of WordPress. Then we click in the menu on appearance, and then we click on customize. So this is actually pretty neat because you have the Astra theme. You can really adjust a lot of things in this theme, which will help you to get a more beautiful website. So what we're going to adjust now is the header, and we're going to make changes to the site identity. First of all, we're going to select a logo. So we click on select logo. And this will be, this is the media library pop-up that comes up. And if you would already have media in your library, you would see it here and you could select a picture from here. But we don't have any media here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to upload a picture for the logo. As you can see right here, we already have one logo, so we will drag it over here. So now the image is uploaded to the media library of our WordPress website. We checked the image and we click on select. Then we can crop the image to make sure we have the logo. Crop image. Now this is a little bit too big, right? So what we can do with this right here is we can drag it to the left and make it more small. See, there you go. And as you can see right here, the logo is now, for me, this is a good size. I like it like this, and you have the menu, so it aligns pretty nicely. Then we go to select site icon. Site icon, I want to explain this one. When you have your website and you want to add it to favorites, or you have a website and you add it to the favorites, you will always see an icon. And you can see the icon right here, right now, because it's a W of WordPress. And we want to change that because we are going to make a store, which is called Cuddly Bear. And we want our visitors, if they would add our website to their favorites, they will see the bear icon, but also it helps for branding your site because every visitor will see the site icon up here. So that's what we're gonna do now. We can select the same image because it's we will be making it from the logo. So we can hit select. Now I'm gonna drop this crop box a little bit more up. And as you can see, we have to make it a little bit more like this. And you can check what it's gonna look like over here. So by dragging and all those sides, see, you can actually see a preview here what it's gonna look like. And if I would do it like this, I would be very happy, because if you would take this, it would be too yeah, then you have a piece of the heart and it's not looking real clean and nice, you know. So what we do is we drag a little bit more here, and now it looks like this. And this is cool. This is awesome. So we're going to say crop image, and you can already see the change right here. It has the little site icon already on the top. Now that's cool, right? Then we click on publish. That's kind of like saving what you just changed. We also have a tagline here. I will remove this one. We don't really need it. And for site title, we can type in our store name. And as you can see, it comes right up here. And again, we click on publish to save the settings. We can go back. So the next thing we would like to change is the footer, because powered by Astra, that's nice, but our website or our web store is called Cuddly Bear. So what we're going to do is we select this text and type in and what I always like to do is type we will do that before that. Hit space C and we just publish, and then we click publish. So for now we're done. We can click the X here, and I'm going to reload the website so you can see what has changed. Now we have a site icon right here. That's what we changed. We have a logo, which if we would click on, we would always go to the home page. I can show you. If you go to our story page and I would click here, we will go back to the home page. And we also added the store name here. We added the footer, so it will be branded to your own store and it has your store name in it. So with a couple of clicks, in a couple of minutes, we already branded our store.